Night Festival, did you say? Wake up, people, and stop sleeping. Yes, you, I mean you. Because now is the time for the launch of E16 Night Festival. Are you excited yet? Because I know I am. And if you are, go grab your friends, spread the news, and tell them, come on down to the E16 Night Festival. This weekend marks the start of the 40 days countdown to E16. Woohoo! More than just a moment in time, E16 signifies a wave of God's incredible movement for revival in this nation. So let us take the next 40 days and consecrate our hearts in prayer and fasting. And we're going to believe that we're going to see amazing things happen this season in the lead up to E16. Join us. This is the moment for our generation. This is the time we arise for your kingdom. Catchy, right? Well, we're so excited to be able to share our new songs with you. Songs that have been birthed from this church and this nation for such a time as this. And guess what? The E16 album is launching today and is being sold outside at the lobby counters. So grab a copy before you go home today. We've got a whole bunch of new t-shirts in new designs waiting for you outside the lobby. So go grab some because you need something to match your E16 hat. To all newcomers who are here for the first time or second time at SIBKL, please join us as we welcome you in our hospitality lounge and where we can get to know you better. And for those of you who are tech savvy, stay connected with us on our social media. For those of you in Bangunan Yin, don't forget to validate your parking token before you leave. And the sermon's about to start now, so please don't forget to this, okay? And get ready for the sermon that's coming up next. I'm Kimberly saying adios.